This is a video of Picasso creating a face. A face is the single most powerful thing you can draw to connect with another human being. Here's our new friend, Eddie the Face. Let's start out by learning how to draw Eddie. First, Eddie is a circle. You'll notice right off the bat that my line work is super loose. A lot of young artists will take seconds, maybe a minute, to draw a circle. The best thing you can do for yourself is loosen up with your hand when you're drawing. You'll notice there's not one circle there, but a whole bunch of loops. When I go to ink, I will simply select the line I like best, and that will be the shape I follow. The crosshair through the middle of the circle breaks down the face. This will help us align our eyes and nose and mouth later. A character head is not just a circle. You want to put an extra line on the bottom to represent the jaw. This can be any shape. We'll talk about that a little later. But for Eddie the Face, we're going to put a simple loop around the bottom of the circle. Next, we place the ears, which go on opposite sides of that horizontal line in the crosshair. Eyes sit right on top of that same line, and a nose hangs down from the line. In this case, Eddie's nose is just a long oval. I always use a shape for a mouth, even when it's closed, instead of just a line, because you never know when you want a little bit of form in the mouth, so it's just a habit I've developed. I'm going to throw a couple lines in here for the hair. Keep the form of the hair simple. We want to keep the focus on the facial details. Hair should not look like it's just painted on the head. It should sit on top of the head, almost like a hat or a helmet. A couple dots for the eyes. Ears, for the sake of this lesson, we will keep simple. They're just a little S and a backwards S. And there's the basic layout of Eddie the Face. Now I'll start to ink the lines I want. Just for fun, I'm going to color him in. We'll talk about coloring in more detail in another lesson. And there's Eddie the Face.